Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best badminton set with net and rackets for family play, the FBSPORT Portable Badminton Net Set. If you're searching for the perfect combo of convenience, portability, and fun for the whole family, this might just be it. Let's start with first impressions. Right out of the box, the FBSPORT set is compact and neatly packaged. Everything fits into the base, which also doubles as a storage box. It's surprisingly lightweight for a full badminton setup, making it easy to carry whether you're headed to the backyard, beach, park, or even indoors. Now, setting this up is one of its biggest strengths. You don't need any stakes, tools, or even much time. Within just 2 to 5 minutes, you'll have the 10-foot wide and 5-foot tall net fully assembled and ready to play. That's a huge plus, especially when you're with kids or just want to get straight to the game without wrestling with complicated poles or ropes. The materials used are smartly chosen for both durability and flexibility. The frame features alloy steel, which gives it a sturdy foundation, while the net is made of a lightweight yet resilient nylon-polyester mix. It holds up well even in breezy outdoor conditions, and you don't get that annoying sag in the middle thanks to its compact tension design. Let's talk about the game experience. The set includes 2 steel badminton rackets and 2 shuttlecocks. These rackets are basic but perfectly functional for casual play. They're ideal for adults, teens, and even older kids. The shuttlecocks are durable enough to handle repeated hits without fraying or falling apart, which is more than we can say for some cheaper sets out there. Whether you're hosting a party, heading on a camping trip, or just spending the afternoon with the kids in the backyard, this set turns any flat surface into a mini court. That versatility is what makes it a winner in our books. You don't need grass, you don't need sand, you don't even need a ton of space. Just clear a 10 by 5 feet area and you're good to go. Taking everything down is just as smooth as setting it up. The net disassembles quickly and folds into the base. The rackets and shuttlecocks fit neatly inside, and the base closes up into a compact, carryable unit. No mess, no bulky bags, no scattered parts. If you're looking for a badminton set that's easy to transport, fast to set up, and built for casual family fun, the FBSPORT Portable Badminton Set hits the mark. It's perfect for spontaneous play, training beginners, or even organizing quick tournaments with friends and family. That wraps up our review of the FBSPORT Badminton Set, the best badminton set with net and rackets for family play. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next product deep dive. This is Product Critique, helping you find the best, so you can play your best. See you next time.